Hi guys, in this video we are going to repair this 5V lead acid battery. It is my 5V lead acid battery. It's completely dead. Let me show you by checking in the multimeter. As I said, the battery is not working and there is no charge in the battery. So to repair this, our first step is to remove the cap of the battery. In normal water, add some salt and some baking soda and mix it well. Now completely fill the battery with the water. Let us connect the battery with the 5V supply to evaporate the water inside it. Don't close battery with the cap while charging. After the water inside the battery is completely evaporated, let us close the battery by using the cap. Now we have repaired the battery, so let us check the voltage of the battery by using the multimeter. So the battery is working properly and the multimeter shows 5V value. So let us check the 5V LED is glowing or not.